copied out of my poop shoot.
That's on camera.
Oh fuck.
Spidey, how many girls have you had? Nigga, have you seen my videos, man? I talk shit about women. Why would they want to be with me? A lot. A lot. Like, it's really not even funny how smooth I am with the women. For some odd reason, they like that shit. You gotta be an asshole.
That's just
Now that's comedy.
Comedy at its finest. Oh, not funny, 24. You are almost funny.
Oh.
close.
But no.
I don't think so.
What is your main card?
I just said Red Eyes Doctor Venom.
What's your main card?
Gonzalo.
Ancient Golem.
No, Gonzalo Pleiades like.
You know, there's somewhere in the world, Ancient Golem is crying. You used to be me.
I love Golem. I just like Pleiades more.
The Celtic Guardian is my favorite card. Anthony, why do you look like Watt from the show Level Up?
Oh, Wyatt.
I looked up that shit.
I
I
did
do
too.
not.
I did too. He doesn't. He really doesn't.
Thank you.
If you guys were to go on a date with any female from the Yu-Gi-Oh series, who would it be?
Guardian Iatos.
Dark Magician Girl.
Ew.
My Valentine's. I heard that bitch gives it up like nothing. When I use a condom, first she got herpes. I mean harpies.
That was great. You wrote that.
No, I didn't.
You wrote that.